Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ARBKF, CCAJ, CEI, CHNC, GVSI, HDVY, HMBL, IBGR, ILUS, INQD, MTRT, PKKFF, and TGGI. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company or stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like LWLG at $2.55, ENZC at 0.014, MJWL at 0.014, and ALPP at 7.5 cents. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. Never begin the format with 00. For US and Canada, simply enter 1 plus area code and number. And the best part is that both the email and text service are free. With the text service, unless it could be if your carrier has carrier charges, that is on you, but on our side, it is free. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. First up is ARBKF with Bitcoin back over 50,000, Ethereum over 4,000. This is a great blockchain play. Consolidated, put in double bottom just above $1, consolidated $1.50. Now it's above $2. This one's getting ready to go to NASDAQ. This has been the CEO. He's done interviews with Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy. They've been on CNBC. Argo blockchain is definitely one of the top plays when it comes to blockchain. So definitely check out what we have to say. All the stocks that we're talking about today have been covered on the site. Simply just go into the magnifying glass, type in the symbol, and you will see what we have said about that particular ticker. Moving on, CCAJ, big runner this week, cleaning up the financials, got the CE symbol removed. We talk about it in this weekend's article. CCAJ, definitely one you want to keep your eye on. Anytime a company is able to get the caveat emptor removed, that's a big deal. That tells you that there's some smart players that know what they're doing. Not everyone can get the CE symbol removed and get the pink current, but these guys definitely know what they're doing. As OTC chairman says, they got competent management. It's alive after 12 years of dormancy. They have a plan. They spent millions to bring it back, looking to do a big merger, and there's a lot of smart money playing this play. So definitely one you want to check out. CEI, this is one we've been talking about. Just a really nice week, up 68% this week. Definitely we get above $1. We got the 200-day at 89 cents. We clear $1. This thing is off and running again. Definitely we like the price action this week. And this is an NYSE penny stock, guys. It's very important to trade both OTC and NYSE, NASDAQ pennies. There's opportunities in both markets right now. August was a decent month, better than I expected, with it being a summertime. Usually it's the dog days of summer doldrums, but there were some good opportunities. We think September and the last part of this year are going to be very, very hot. Seasonally, they are. So now is the time that you definitely want to be raising cash and getting ready to put money to work playing penny stocks. And we're going to have a lot more alerts in September for our subscribers. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. I'll be using this long Labor Day weekend to run screens, do a lot of research. Definitely excited about putting August and the summer months behind us and getting into the swing of things where we can catch these multi-day triple-digit runners that like we caught last year. Speaking of which, was the big one last year was Humble. This one we were covering last year when it was just TSNP. Go over here and see what we had to say about TSNP. We said the TSNP Humble merger is a really big deal. This was back on November 13th. You go over here to November 13th. The stock opened at 0.027 and then proceeded to run to almost $8. This is on a split adjusted basis, but there was a lot of millionaires created last year, and we think that this year is just going to be as hot, especially with them cleaning up the OTC, getting rid of a lot of these dormant tickers. You're going to have a lot less garbage. People are going to be forced to play quality plays, and that money needs to go somewhere. It's going to stay in the OTC, and it's going to go into these quality plays, and we're going to see more price appreciation like we did last year. So definitely excited about the next few months. CHNC, this is another one great week, cleaning up another one, getting ready to do a merger, cleaning up financials, 00, great risk reward opportunity, stock up 100% this week. It's a triple from 10 days ago. Definitely like the price action in CHNC. GVSI, another one we've talked about quite a bit on the site. George Sharp merger play. Excited to see what merger candidates he comes up with and what the final merger will be into GVSI. Last year he was instrumental in the merger between TSMP and Humble, and as I showed you, that was the big winner of last year. So a lot of people are banking that GVSI, if George has the same magic, if he could do it again. HDVY been making a nice run over the past week, consolidated at just under the 15-cent mark. It's been a double. Got above the 20 and the 50-day moving averages. It held the 200-day, which is always critical. We liked what's going on with HDVY and looking at our run to new highs, testing the old highs. We get above there. This thing can make a move to $1. IBGR, this has been a nice runner for our subscribers, definitely consolidating up here. Let's see what this week brings. ILUS, we've been talking about this one quite a bit on the site. Really built a base at the 4-cent mark, got above the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving averages. Now this one's consolidating here. Looks like it's making a bull flag right here. We get above 12 cents, and we're going to run back towards the highs of 18 cents. INQD, another one a lot of people talking about on social media. This one is getting current, getting ready to do a merger. Going to see what they end up doing with INQD as far as what they merge into it. Certainly an interesting play, and this one can definitely start running. MTRT, this is the big one of this week. At one point it was up over 5,000%, closed the week up over 3,300%. We like what we see here because you know, when you get these 1,000, you know, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 baggers like TSNP Humble was last year, it gets a lot of people excited. You know, why are so many people playing crypto right now? Because it's easy money. Everything's going up. And, you know, when people start hearing about plays like MTRT, makes them want to play OTC again. So, you know, this could be the spark this week that really gets September humming. And that's why we're so excited right now. I live for this. When I see these 10, 20, 30, 50 baggers, this is what, you know, gets the ball rolling, and we see more plays like this. So, you know, this is why it's so important to, you know, sign up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. We're going to be having looking for these types of plays for our subscribers like we did last year. Last year, the two big winners for us were TSNP and ENZC, and you can see what we talked about ENZC last year. We said it was the ENZC and Biokinetics, a perfect merger. This came out October 6, 2020. I go over here, type in ENZC. I go over here to October 6. I mean, this was a 0.014, ran to almost $1. I mean, this was another millionaire maker. You know, again, you know, guys, it doesn't take much to, you know, have a huge winner. You know, you get, if you have $10,000, you know, like we say, you know, play 10 to 20 different penny stocks. Don't go all in at one. You know, $500, $1,000 in an ENZC that goes up 100-fold. That's 100 grand. You know, and if you trade around it, like we say, buy dips, sell rips, you know, taking money off the table, adding on the dips, you know, you get an ENZC, and you can really parlay that into a fortune. So, you know, you got to learn how to trade. You got to learn how to use RSIs, moving averages. You know, these are all the things I talk about here on our YouTube channel. So, you know, again, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I give a lot of these lessons, and you know, the best part is it's free. So, you know, check it out. Keep coming back to the channel, subscribe, and you know, hit that notification bell. This way, you can, you know, get some of this hopefully pearls of wisdom that help make you guys some money. PKKFF. This was Peak FinTech Group, new highs. This one's going to NASDAQ. Great play for our subscribers. Really like this one. Really happy for everyone that played this one. Go over here and check out what we've had to say about this one. 4 OTC penny stocks poised to explode, PKKFF, and nailed this one. So this is one definitely will be going to NASDAQ. Exciting times ahead. TGGI perking up here, up 44% on Friday, up 94% for the week, 00. This one gets above a penny, and it's blue skies ahead. This one's off and running. And lastly, we told you about ENZC. I'll be doing another video this weekend, going more in depth on a few plays. And these will be not new plays, but stocks we've already covered. New plays will be addressed for our subscribers only. So, you know, again, make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com so that you get our alerts for the new profiles we are covering. And subscribers always get the profile before our regular readers. So, you know, not everyone has the time to check the site during the day. Email and text messages are the best way to get our alerts. So, with that being said, I want to wish everyone a wonderful Labor Day weekend. I'll be working, studying, looking at charts, looking at filings. So, you know, make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com for our next alert. I recommend you be doing the same this weekend. Use this time wisely. Spend it with your family, and also, you know, do a lot of reading and research. Learn to earn. Again, have a safe weekend, everyone, and I'll be coming live to you again with another video tomorrow or Monday. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.